Yo, what's up? It's the Crypto Papi. We're at Wonder Tea having my favorite, the Taro with boba in the Inner Sunset, San Francisco. And we're here to give you a one-of-a-kind update on cryptocurrency. You know it. Now, I've seen a few people freaking out over Bitcoin dropping, Ethereum, actually the whole cryptocurrency market. So I'm here to provide a theory, interesting, crypto poppy theory that might be subject to, some backlash. But it's just something I've been thinking about, a reason why I think that the crypto market has crashed. That is probably uncommon because I've watched a few videos on YouTube of the people I follow, and they're mostly mentioning, the SEC making a new decision. A few have mentioned the fact that President Trump could potentially be impeached. I've heard a couple of other theories, but hang in there with me. This is my theory. This is a world exclusive. We're out here in the Inner Sunset. I'm not live because apparently YouTube will not allow me to be live. But before I tell you what my theory is, please subscribe, like the Crypto Poppy YouTube channel, and share with your friends this video because it might seem crazy at first, but it'll start making sense here. You know what I mean? So this is my theory. Listen up. 2 days ago, I was on The Verge, and I read this article about Google reaching quantum supremacy. Now, what does that mean? Okay, guys, this article, the official article that was leaked, was actually published and then taken down immediately after. So apparently, what happened is that sorry, I got a bit distracted. Super random. Apparently, what happened is that Google claims that they were able to build the world's first quantum computer. Okay, what does that mean? From a layman's perspective, what it means is that currently our general computers are operating on a binary system, which is just 0 and 1s, okay? Just picture everything as being zeros and ones. Quantum computing allows us to have qubits instead of bits. So a bit is basically a series of 8 zeros and ones, which determine data, okay? And now we're in the age of big data, where we're kind of running out of data, and there's something called Moore's Law, where apparently every year we were doubling our capacity of performing these operations and progressing through memory, right? But now, with quantum computing, hear me out. This is what's going on, okay? This quantum computer was able to solve a algorithm in 3 minutes and 20 seconds, okay? Which would take, today, any computer, take the most powerful computer we have today, it would take that computer 10,000 years. I'm gonna let that sink in while I eat my boba. This supercomputer solved this algorithm in 3 minutes and 20 seconds. An algorithm that would normally take 10,000 years by the most capable computer we have on the planet right now. All right, so what does that mean? The good, the bad, and the ugly. The good is that obviously this is going to be used in artificial intelligence. This is going to be used in medicine. Quantum computing is going to open all kinds of doors, and I believe it's going to open and usher the new era of quantum, computing, which will open so many doors, at least in terms of research, especially anything related to AI. Now, the bad is for crypto, and why is it bad is because in cryptocurrencies, you have two words, cryptography and currencies. And when we're saying cryptography, that means that, let's take Bitcoin as an example. Each block in the blockchain is secured through the proof of stake, which is an algorithm that all the miners in the world are competing to solve every 10 minutes. And when one of them solves this algorithm, they get a reward in Bitcoins, right? The further the blockchain goes, the more secure the whole blockchain is. Hence why Bitcoin is what they call the granddaddy of them all, because it's the most secure blockchain, right? Okay, so not to get too much into detail, but that security protocol that's used is called SHA-256, right? Okay, so now that you understand that Bitcoin is the most secure blockchain, right? Because it's been going on for the longest, and this is the reason why it is offering value, because it is the most secure, so it is very hard to hack. But is it quantum proof? Could this quantum supercomputer or this new technology that just has been ushered in or has been claimed to be ushered in take the last block and go backwards and break down the whole blockchain, hack it, and steal all your money? Steal all of Bitcoin's money. Guys, I think that the miners were scared by this news, and this is my theory, and that, you know, they might have colluded, but they've all, or a lot of them, as you can see, you can just go literally right now and Google Bitcoin hash rate, and you can see how those miners literally left a day ago. And how many of these miners? 8%. That means that there's 8% less machines, 8% of the global mining community that believes that it's not worth mining Bitcoin anymore because they believe the value is going to go down. Think about that. All right, please comment on what you think. I would be really interested to hear what you have to say about this theory on Bitcoin and hash rate and what's been going on with quantum computing. It's Crypto Papi.